All right. So, what have we found? We have found that it is easier to create videos in the morning than it is at night. Why is that? Well, drugs and alcohol may be a factor. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Ooh, we're gonna go. La 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 la. Oh, truck's good. Yeehaw! That's politically incorrect nowadays. Bo and Luke Duke. Politically incorrect. Yeah, man. Hello, male person. Alright, we are off to the store to return the controllers. So what are we doing? We're going to UPS. We're going to UPS and we're going to return the controllers A and B of our new HoverAir X1 Pro Max. Imagine I just bought this thing and it's malfunctioning. The drone won't fly in the upward direction. Yes, won't fly in the upward direction. Won't go up. Tried recalibrating it per their instructions and it didn't work. Clearly it's broken through no fault of my own. It's just defective. But I've had this thing for a while and the emails going back and forth, you know? I mean, it's such a slow process. It reminds me of a scooter process, and I'm gonna relive that freaking scooter process. Which, you know, I always said, oh, I'm gonna make a video. By God, I'm gonna make a video because this experience reminds me of that nightmare, which I never got repaired. Ultimately, I bought another scooter because it was like, you know, I'm like, my scooter. I'm going off on a tangent, but my scooter's broken. They're like, send me a fucking, excuse the French, send me a video. Okay, I'll send you a video. Look, the scooter's broke, is what it's doing. They sent me out a part. Okay. I write them back, hey, the scooter's still broke, it doesn't work. Oh, send us a video. I sent them a video. Hey, they sent me another part. You know, this went on until finally I was like, you know, it's been months. I need a scooter to get back and forth at the time to work before I retired. It just never happened. It was easier to buy another scooter. I mean, and take the loss. I think it was like a $400 scooter. I ended up buying like a $1,500 scooter. A far better scooter. But anyway, let's get back to why that nightmare is similar to this nightmare. Hey, Lulu. And the reasoning here is that maybe it's technology nowadays. I don't know. And they're like, oh, send us a video. Do you know how big a video is? Like right now I'm recording, I mean, these files are in the megs, if not gigs, you know? You can't just freaking email a video. I don't even understand. I can't get my head around, and maybe somebody can explain it to me. By God, in the comments, you know how they say that shit? French. So, yeah. Explain to me how everything has to be a video. You have to see, you know, when I say it's broken and it doesn't work, why can't you just go by the text version, the email that I'm sending you saying, hey, this thing is broken, here's what it's doing. Why do you need to see a video of the color of the fucking, the French, the color of the light? It's ridiculous that I gotta show a video. And maybe I'm just old, and I know I am. But the file size, you can't just send me a video. My email won't let me send more than like, I don't know. Back in the day it was 5 meg. Maybe it's 20 meg now. But I'm telling you, my video, even off of my camera, even when I lower it down to the lowest settings and blah blah blah, it's the file size is ungodly. And then you know what I have to do? I have to post it to my YouTube page. And then I have to send them a link saying, hey, the file is too big, go look at it over here. I mean, what the hell, people? I don't get it. I mean, you know, my description should be, you know, the red light doesn't come on, the green light comes on. Why do you need to see a video of the red light not coming on the green? It doesn't make sense to me. Oh my God. This is why I need an emotional support dog here, my little Lulu, to calm me down during these outbursts. So anyway, what am I doing right now? I'm going to UPS. Why am I going to UPS? I'm returning. And thank God, I mean, it's probably still under the 1 year. I mean, listen, I've had the thing a few weeks, 6 weeks, whatever. I've had it a few weeks, this drone, which I love, all right? It's got a slight malfunction with it, and it's fine. Stuff happens, right? It happens. But to make me jump through hoops, you know? I mean, I could show you the email thread, back and forth, back and forth. Try this. It's like, okay, you know, great advice. You couldn't have just sent me a text, you know, or sent me the file that says, hey, here's how you calibrate, you know, check this out, see if it works. It didn't. But, you know, I mean, we could have solved this so much sooner than, sorry to hear about your problem, send me a video. I mean, okay. You know, I don't know, maybe you kids pull your phones out and you start recording right away, and I don't know, you press send off your phone, or an old person, it doesn't work that way. I get it on my phone now, I'm like, oh, how do I send it? The file's too big. It's complicated for us old people. I mean, and then you can't even call them up, right? They don't answer phone calls, right? And again, I like the company. Ambulance is gonna pull over. I like the company. I like the product. I'm sure I'm gonna get through this. But now, I've gotta go, and I've gotta return the malfunctioning piece, right? I gotta return it to them so they can do an analysis. I mean, I don't know. I just bought the thing, it didn't work. You think you'd just send me out a new set, right? And I think this particular piece, you know, because it's like extra, it's like 129 bucks. I mean, instead of just sending me, you know, I mean, because you know my cost is 129. I don't know what it would cost you to make it in China or wherever you got it done, built, but I got a feeling it's probably under, and let's be real, I'm going to say 30 bucks is probably under. It's probably like $5. $5, you know? It just seems like you should have sent it out to me instead of aggravating me, making me jump through hoops. And now I got to go to the store and send the thing to them. I've got to have, you know, the tracking number sent to them, and they need to follow the track to see where the package is. And then when they receive it back, then they're going to send me my replacement, you know? And then maybe I'll be whole again. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I should have sent the freaking thing in the mail and made me whole. And me sending something back, I mean, I don't know what you're gonna learn from it. Besides the thing's broken. It's no good to me or you. I mean, I get it, but and now they sent me a return package thing. I don't know if I gotta pay. We'll find out. I'll let you know. Imagine I gotta pay to send the thing back. I don't know. Oh boy. What do we got here? Looks like traffic. Anyway. So I'm off to the UPS store, and am I frustrated? Again, being an old guy, you know, I got my computer in my office, my wife's got the computer that she has, and she has the printer in her office, it's wireless, but you know, nothing could be easy. I go to print something and it's like, oh, it tries, I'm not an idiot, but it starts, it's like, oh, it's gonna try and fax it. It's a fax. Do people even use faxes anymore? But her printers, I can hear it dialing in the other room. All I'm trying to do is print something, right? It's trying to fax it to somewhere. I had to delete the printer, reinstall the printer, you know, fucking nightmare. Oop, again the French. Sorry about that. I'll be quiet, we're in traffic. Watch him. Watch him. What do you see? Watch him. Go watch him. UPS store. so we know that the UPS store is up this way somewhere, right, Rex? What do you think it is? Do you know? We serve breakfast. Taco Bell. I'm hungry. I know where the UPS store is. Maybe I should have Googled it on a map or something. Right? It's right up here. I think it's right in this plaza. Let's see. See anything? I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Tattoos and collectibles. Oh, there it is. It's off to the side. Would have never found that. Alright, so we missed it by a kunt here. Look at this. This is different to me. I've never seen this. La da da da. What's the matter, Rex? You seem awfully upset. All right. We are officially at the UPS store. I shall pause this, right, Lulu? And I shall return.